Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC. Out here in Port Charlotte, finishing up on the basalts that I started a while back. And sorry about that truck going by. Today is July 3rd, and it's about 95, 96 degrees. Feel like about 104, 105 degrees. It's hot. I'm glad there's a little breeze right now. As you can see, the clouds are starting to build. I hope it rains good. But I want to wish everybody a happy 4th and a safe one and a relaxing one. And here's what the basalts look like now they are all finished. Here we go. We got the put in some bromelads for them, and I added some rocks. Before it was just 2 little rocks in here. It looked terrible. It was awful. I couldn't even believe the job. But now this is what it looks like. All new lighting. My customers are away until the 5th, I believe. So when they come home, they'll get a big surprise because they don't know that this is all done. Oh, I see one of my wire caps. And what I did here, I made this simple and easy for them to control it. So let me get my camera down where it belongs. I'm not very good at this stuff. And so that way they can adjust the flow by taking off this one rock here. It covers that up, and because there's a little rocks here to cover up any little spaces in there. I don't like anything showing, so there. And now you can't see it. So this is what it looks like here. It was quite the feat. I didn't know if it was going to work because their sewage clean out is right behind here. I'm getting a wicked glare so I can't see, but I'm pointing to a pile of rocks beside the bromelads, and that's the clean out right there. And it goes right up underneath of this right here and right down in through to about where that pipe is, I guess. But I had to raise it up. I used the aquascape. Let me turn this around. The aquascape small matrix box. I ended up using 6 of those. No, yeah, 6 of those. So the basin was a little bit bigger and able to hold the water. Before it had the aquascape basin, but they had put the basalts in the wrong place and it was caving in. There was no way to fix it, so I just told them, well, best thing to do is we'll put in the matrix boxes and we won't have to worry about cave-ins because the matrix boxes will hold them up. They were shimming them with the flagstones, shoving up underneath there. The piping was showing, the wiring was showing, and it was a rush job. You could see that for sure. I was told not to hold my camera down so low, so I'm going to hold it up a little bit. Anyways, we got it all set for them, and I hope they're going to be very, very surprised when they get home on the 5th and get a call and say thank you, or hey, what the hell did you do? No, just kidding. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Port Charlotte on July 3rd, 2023. And I will leave you with bye-bye, and thank you for watching.